The Big Sandy Ranch is located just a few miles south of Allen, Oklahoma, or just 11 miles from the Rocky Top Winery, placing you in a convenient location for either supply runs or the option of a B&B. Multiple Boone and Crockett bucks have been harvested within just a few miles of where this sanctuary lies. Located at the front of the property is a brand new, finished in 2020, 30 by 40 fully enclosed shop, complete with a concrete slab, roll-up door, walk-through door, wired throughout and fully lighted. Attached to the shop is a lean-to that runs the full 40-foot span and is tall enough to accommodate most bumper pull travel trailers. A 50-amp outlet has already been installed, leaving nothing to do but pull right in and plug up, as municipal water runs right to the shop. A freeze-proof faucet has been installed and is ready for use. Every square inch of the ranch is accessible and huntable, which creates a feel of a much larger place. A power line right-of-way crosses the property, which allows for ease of travel and excellent hunting opportunities. A dozer was brought in and roads were cleared and a sizable food plot was created. This rare jewel of southern Oklahoma boasts a quality deer and turkey population, giving ample hunting opportunities in both the spring and fall. If you've been looking for the perfect recreational property just 2.5 hours from Dallas-Fort Worth area at a fraction of the cost of Texas prices, then look no further as you have arrived at your destination. This ranch could have just as easily been named Turnkey Ranch, because that is exactly what it is. All you have to do is just show up, hook up, and start hiking, hunting, and relaxing. Schedule an appointment today for your personalized showing and see for yourself the splendor that is the Big Sandy Ranch.